All right, ready to go out again?
Yay!
Mason.
Look at these stairs,
Look.
Baba. Baba, look at the
Mason
stairs.
thinks he's going for a ride. Where you going?
Look at the stairs, Baba. Baba, come here. Get the stairs.
Mason. Mason.
Come here. I'll get him.
Mason just left us.
Come here. You just open that door. Mason, come here. Come here, Mason. We're not going for a ride. Good boy. Like, we're not going for a ride.
Come on.
Come on, Mason.
Mason.
He's a good boy.
Mason. Not right now. Mason, come on.
Hey, you didn't tell me you had a light on it.
You didn't ask.
You didn't tell me.
Come on, Mason.
Mason, come here, boy.
Come on, let's go.
Come here. Come here, Mason. Stop.
Oh, that's funny. Mason, come
Come
on.
here.
Come on, let's go.
Come here, Mason.
There he comes.
Come on.
He's coming.
He's good
There he
trained.
is.
Okay.
Come on, Mason.
Then Mason goes crazy again. Mom, look at the
Jeez.
stairs. Over here. Look at them. I wiped off them.
Mason. Come on.
Oh. Ta-da.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Let's go.
Mason.
What are you doing? Oh, you see that, Mama?
That's funny.
What are you doing?
He's playing.
Is it ow, the thing on your like that?
Timothy. Timothy, no, just let him play.